Attention car enthusiasts, have you seen the latest addition to the BMW lineup? The 2023 BMW X7 is here, and it's bringing a whole new level of style and performance to the table. The 2023 BMW X7 is the epitome of luxury and sophistication. With a bold new look, powerful engines, and a wealth of new features, this SUV has been completely reimagined, taking into account every detail to make it the ultimate driving experience. Whether you're a fan of BMW or just love high-end automobiles, you won't want to miss this. The 2023 BMW X7. With a new grille and headlight design, the 2023 BMW X7 is sure to turn heads. The inverted headlight look may be polarizing, but the sleek design and added chrome bar in the rear make for a clean and sophisticated appearance. The X7 also comes with new wheel designs, including a massive 23-inch option for the first time. Under the hood, the X7 offers a choice of 6-cylinder or V8 power. The majority of buyers choose the xDrive 40i model, equipped with a turbocharged 3-litre inline-six engine that has received significant upgrades. With a 40 horsepower boost and 52 pound-feet of torque increase, the xDrive 40i now outpaces the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Additionally, a 48-volt hybrid system adds even more torque, making this engine a force to be reckoned with. For those looking for even more power, the twin-turbo 4.4-litre V8 engine is sure to deliver. With 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, this engine is a thrill to drive, and with the added 48-volt system, it's sure to pack even more punch. The V8 engine is now known as the M60i, aligning gas engine trim levels with electric models, including the new iX M60. Not only does the 2023 BMW X7 perform like a dream, it also drives like one. Accurate steering, good sightlines, and a composed chassis make it feel smaller than it actually is. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking a sharp turn, the X7's air suspension provides a smooth and comfortable ride. The 2023 BMW X7 is a game-changer in the luxury SUV market. With its bold new design, powerful engines, and impressive driving experience, this SUV is sure to impress. Whether you're a fan of BMW or just love high-end automobiles, you won't want to miss this. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating awesome content just for you. And while you're here, don't forget to check out our other videos. We have a whole library of amazing content waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button now and join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about the same things as you. See you in the next video.